In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple EMAs in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, using multiple exponential moving averages or EMAs on your chart can offer valuable insights into market trends and price dynamics. This tool is especially useful for identifying momentum and potential entry or exit points. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized setup that aligns with your trading strategy. So let's dive right in. First, open your Tradingview chart. Tradingview is a powerful platform for technical analysis, and if you don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its features. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Indicators button. This is where you'll find all the tools and scripts available in Tradingview. After clicking, you'll see a search bar appear. In this search bar, type in Multiple EMA. This will pull up a list of available indicators related to exponential moving averages. Now, take a moment to browse through the search results. You'll notice that there are different versions of the multiple EMA indicator, and each may have its own unique visual style or added features. Choose the one that best suits your preferences or trading needs. If you're unsure which one to pick, I'd recommend starting with a simpler option. Don't worry, you can always remove it later and try a different one. After selecting your preferred multiple EMA indicator, go ahead and add it to your chart. You'll see the EMA lines appear, but we're not done yet. To fine-tune the indicator, hover over its name in the chart's legend. A small gear icon will appear. Click on that to open the settings panel. Inside the settings menu, you can adjust the length or period for each EMA. This is an important step because the length determines how the EMA reacts to price changes. A shorter period like 20 will make the line more sensitive and responsive to recent price movements. On the other hand, a longer period, such as 100, will smooth out the fluctuations and show broader trends. Think about your trading strategy and time frame to decide which periods work best for you. Next, let's customize the colors of the EMA lines. Still within the settings panel, you'll find options to change the color for each line. Choosing distinct colors is crucial because it allows you to quickly identify each EMA when analyzing your chart. For example, you might use green for shorter periods and blue or red for longer ones. The goal is to make your chart clear and easy to interpret at a glance. If you need to add more EMAs to your setup, simply repeat the process. Search for the multiple EMA indicator again, select another version or the same one, and add it to your chart. By layering multiple indicators, you can create a detailed or simplified view depending on your strategy. For instance, you might use 3 EMAs, short, medium, and long periods to track momentum across different time frames. Once you're happy with your setup, don't forget to save your chart layout. This step ensures that all your customizations, including the periods and colors of your EMAs, are preserved. To do this, look for the Save button near the top of the screen and click it. The next time you log into Tradingview, your chart will be ready to go with all your settings intact. And that's it. You now have a fully customized multiple EMA setup in Tradingview, tailored to your trading style. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.